and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shin. So tonight I am back with a review, slightly a unboxing of a wig that I was sent from Premium Lacewigs. I'm really happy that Premium Lacewigs reached out to me to actually do a review for them, and they sent me their Afro Kinky, their 360 lace frontal wig in the texture Brazilian Afro Kinky. I received the length in 18 inches. This hair is freaking gorgeous, guys. So in the box, obviously you got the box, but in the box it comes with the mesh bag that the hair actually comes in. They also sent me a little pouch bag that I can keep the comb and accessories that they sent as well. They sent me some wig caps. You can never run out of these. I'm always losing these, so with them sending me this, it's so freaking handy. They also sent me some, what's it called, these bobby pins along with some combs, and they have a instruction booklet that tells you how to care and wash the hair. They also sent an elastic band, but I went ahead and applied that onto the wig. Taking the wig out of the box, it did have a processed scent, but also when I co-wash the hair, which you guys know I always stress on my channel to always co-wash your hair, I'm going to show you the minimal amount of shedding that I received from washing this hair, and it's a curly hair, so just 1 second, guys. So this is the amount of shedding that I received from co-washing the hair with my conditioner. The conditioner that I did use is the mane and tail conditioner. That's what I use on all my wigs. So far I did not bleach my lace. As you guys can see, the lace is not bleached. Haven't done that yet. And also the wig is a pre-plucked hairline wig, so it's made for it to look more realistic. So I'm gonna go in and apply this wig right now. I have to say that I'm really happy that Premium Lacewigs went ahead and reached out to me and asked me to collab and work along with them. I'm really appreciative of that. The wig, however, did come with 3 combs installed inside of the wig cap, but you guys know that excuse me, I always go ahead and remove my wig combs because I don't like that. And it comes with the adjustable strap in the back of the hair, and like I said to you guys, I went ahead and I attached the elastic band onto my head for more secure safety, and it's a 360 lace frontal wig. So I'm gonna go ahead now and apply it and just try to tweak it for it to look more realistic. Guys, so I did try and tweak it a bit because I didn't bleach it. I want it to look a bit more realistic. I went in with my Got To Be glue gel and I tried to glue just the front part here down, and I tried to fluff the hair out a bit more because I had co-washed it, so it's still not really fully dried as yet. I didn't want the curls to look too defined because it was looking kind of really wiggy with it being defined. But guys, when I tried this hair on yesterday, This hair was giving me freaking life. Like, this is my summer hair. This is like my go-to. It's like the perfect length. This is the 18 inches and it reaches me right above, just right above my boobs. So that is just so freaking perfect. Like, I love this wig. And the size that I got is a large. It's 140% in density, and the color is a number 1, and I think it's freaking amazing. I'm kind of really happy that I didn't go in with 150 density, because 150 density in a hot, humid summer climate is not nice. It's not a joke. Like, it would not be a joke. So I decided to go with the 140, which I totally love. This is like giving me some Solange, Diana Ross vibe. So this is just my first day wearing the hair, so I'm going to be wearing this throughout the entire summer because it is perfect. It's curly hair and I think it suits my facial structure. What do you guys think? So I'm really appreciative for Premium Lacewigs to reach out to me again, like I said. And oh yeah, I forgot to let you guys know, shipping was really fast. I received the wig within 2 days. So they shipped the hair out on, today is Saturday, they shipped the hair out on Tuesday and I received the hair on Thursday. So that was like 2 days. So it's 48 hours. Guys, shipping time is on point. Communication was on point when I was communicating with Aaron with questions towards the wigs and stuff. Even though I have purchased hair from Premium Lacewigs in the past with my own cash, but their customer service uplift to the same expectations, whether if you're doing a review for them or if you're buying the wig personally. I will definitely say go out and cop this wig. I have probably 3 or 4 wigs from them already, so I know that they are a valid and substantial company, and you know, their customer service is on point and the hair is freaking good quality. Plus the price point is not bad. This wig retailed for $145 and it's a 360 lace frontal virgin hair wig. You can't go anywhere else and beat that price. So I would say go ahead and cop it, guys. I always stress on my channel, again, I'm stressing with you guys, go out and cop from this company. It's very inexpensive and very affordable, plus your customer service, and you have fast shipping. So anyhow, I will be back with more updates on this wig as time progresses, and I do hope that you guys love this unboxing and install video. And until next time, guys, love you all, and I will see you in my next video.